Hi, I'm Tammy Sue Baker. Do you know how easy it is to download our free PTL Television Network app? Let me show you right now. First, go get your cell phone, and if you're like me, you might need to get your readers too. If you have an Android phone, like a Samsung or Google Pixel, look for the Google Play Store on your phone. If you have an iPhone like me, go to the App Store. It's a blue box with a little A in it. Once it opens, tap the search button. It's in the lower right corner. Type in PTL Television Network or tap on the full name once it appears in your search bar. Tap on the download button to start downloading. Your phone may ask you for authorization, but don't worry, you won't be charged. Our app is 100% free. Once it downloads, you can simply open the app. It will ask you if you want to receive notifications from us. So be sure to press Allow so that we can send you important messages about special broadcasts, events, and so much more. That's it. Now you're ready to watch the PTL Television Network anytime from your phone. You can watch our regular network stream anytime by pressing the large banner at the top of the app. Or you can browse any of our wide varieties of shows on demand. But what if you're at home and you want to add the PTL Television Network to your Roku? Well, guess what? That's easy too. Grab your remote and scroll down to the Streaming Channels menu. Next, scroll down to Search Channels. Use the arrow keys and the center button to type in PTL. As soon as you see PTL Television Network, select it and then click Add Channel. It will instantly be downloaded to your Roku. Now you can watch the PTL Television Network anytime from your Roku's main menu. In just a couple quick minutes, you're ready to watch the PTL Television Network. Anywhere, anytime, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Join us every day to hear the voice of the prophets